This is a guide on replacing the display assembly on an Apple MacBook Pro 12 Retina, model number A1534. For the replacement process, we'll need the following tools: small pentalobe screwdriver, small phillips screwdriver, small flat screwdriver, tweezers. To begin, turn the laptop off by pressing and holding the power button. Make sure that the laptop is not accidentally powered on during the reinstallation process. Turn the laptop over and remove the 8 pentalobe screws from the bottom. Remember the screw position, as the screws are of different sizes. Insert a plastic pick between the bottom cover and the main body, and move it along the edges, separating the cover from the body. Lift the laptop vertically and open the bottom cover from the front edge to a 20 to 30 degree angle. The bottom cover is still connected to the main body by the cables, so make sure you don't stretch them. First, open the touchpad connector. Use a flat screwdriver to open the securing bracket, then gently slide out the cable. Place the laptop back on the desk surface and slightly rotate the back cover counterclockwise to gain access to the audio board cable connector in the bottom right corner. Open the securing bracket and pull out the cable. Now rotate the back cover clockwise to open the left bottom corner. The next connector is a USB charge port connector, and it's covered with a small metal shield. Remove the screw holding the shield in place. Set the shield aside. Use a flat screwdriver to pick open the connector. Open the laptop fully. Now we can disconnect the LCD cable. Use a plastic pick to open the securing bracket. Then gently unglue the cable from the aluminium body. Using both hands, slide the cable out. Set the bottom part of the laptop aside. Next, remove the 2 screws holding the cable tension bracket in place. Lift the laptop vertically and open it to a 90 degree angle. Then hang it on the edge of the desk. Remove the 4 phillips screws from the hinges, 2 on each side. Separate the display assembly from the main body and set it aside. At this point, we are ready to install the new display assembly. Make sure that the hinges on the replacement part are at a 90 degree angle. Then place the new front assembly onto the main body. Align the hinges to the screw holes and replace 1 screw on the left side and 1 screw on the right side. Don't tighten the screws and don't replace all the hinge screws yet. Close the laptop and place it on the desk. Check if all the corners of the laptop are aligned properly. Now we can replace all the hinge screws and tighten them properly. Align the cable tension bracket with the screw holes and replace the 2 screws on the sides. Replace the bottom part of the laptop next to the main body and reconnect the LCD cable. Glue the LCD cable back to the aluminium body. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. All connectors are very fragile. Close the bottom cover to a 20 to 30 degree angle. And while holding the laptop vertically, thread the touchpad cable through the slot, then reconnect it to the main body. Secure the connector's brackets. This operation requires some time and patience. Close the bottom cover and place the laptop horizontally onto the desk. Turn the bottom cover clockwise to get access to the left bottom corner and reconnect the USB charge port connector. Replace the small metal shield covering the connector. Secure it with a small phillips screw. Next, turn the bottom cover counterclockwise and reconnect the audio board cable. Secure the connector's bracket. Align the bottom cover with the main body and replace the 8 pentalobe screws. Turn the laptop on, and if the startup graphics appears, the display assembly is installed correctly and we are done.